Welcome back to Mogverse. Today we're diving deep into one of the most capable and talked about military logistics vehicles of 2025, the steel hauler HX-77. Known among military transport circles as the next-generation evolution of the German-designed MAN HX series, this truck has caught the attention of defense analysts, militaries, and logistics planners across the world, especially in the United States where it's being evaluated for potential integration into heavy support roles alongside existing U.S. military transport fleets. Let's jump right in and explore every aspect of this formidable logistics machine, from its design and engineering, to real-world performance, off-road capability, payload and versatility, and finally, pricing and value in 2025. When you first lay eyes on the steel hauler HX-77, you notice something immediately. This is not just a truck, it's a tactical logistics powerhouse. Its commanding presence is defined by rugged geometry, heavy-duty axles, and a cab that looks built to shrug off battlefield conditions. The HX-77 is designed to perform under stress, and its engineers have clearly prioritized durability and maintainability. Under the hood, it's powered by a high-torque, turbocharged inline six-cylinder diesel engine, producing in the ballpark of 450 to 500 horsepower and well over 1,400 pound-feet of torque. In practical terms, that translates to the ability to haul heavy loads with confidence, even when climbing steep grades or traversing loose terrain. The powertrain pairs with an advanced automatic transmission system designed to handle constant load changes, an essential feature when you're moving heavy cargo over unpredictable surfaces. Speaking of surfaces, let's talk about off-road capability. One of the defining characteristics of the HX-77 is its exceptional all-terrain performance. Whether it's muddy fields, rocky paths, sand dunes, or snow-packed roads, this truck delivers steady, controlled traction thanks to its 8-wheel drive configuration and advanced differential locking systems. In many comparative field tests, the HX-77 has outperformed similar logistics vehicles from other manufacturers, particularly in soft ground and steep, uneven landscapes. This makes it a strong candidate for operations in environments where traditional transport trucks struggle. But off-road ability is only part of the story. In the modern battlefield and support theaters, versatility is paramount. The HX-77's modular chassis and configurable cargo bay allow it to transition between roles with minimal adjustments. Need to transport troops, supplies, or ammunition pallets? That's easy. Want to fit a fuel tank, mobile command module, or even a small field workshop? The flexibility of the platform makes all of these configurations possible. The truck's suspension system is another standout. It integrates adaptive load leveling and advanced shock absorbers that maintain stability whether the vehicle is empty or hauling its maximum payload. That means smoother transit for sensitive equipment, greater driver comfort, and, most importantly, reduced wear and tear over long deployments. For militaries operating worldwide, this translates to lower lifecycle costs and fewer maintenance intervals. Speaking of payloads, the HX-77's capacity is impressive. In its standard configuration, it can safely haul between 8 to 12 tons of cargo on paved or off-road surfaces. The exact capacity varies depending on the specific variant and modular add-ons, but even at the upper end of that range, it remains competitive with, and in some cases exceeds, traditional U.S. logistics trucks like the family of medium tactical vehicles FMTV, or even some of the heavier load handling system LHS platforms. Now let's talk real-world testing and performance feedback. In trials conducted by several NATO partners and independent reviewers, the HX-77 has shown excellent reliability metrics. Mean distance between failures (MDBF) numbers are high compared to some legacy platforms, and its onboard diagnostics suite makes maintenance planning more proactive rather than reactive. For units deployed far from supply hubs, that kind of predictability can save time, effort, and even lives. Drivers